Hello everyone, I wanted to put out a brief video announcement. So, everyone who turned in a video critique assignment now has a grade, and in the grade comment area has some thorough feedback from me. Make sure you can see that, and if you can't, please let me know, but I wrote quite a bit for each of you in terms of feedback. I was largely impressed with everybody's posts. It has been a very interesting exercise for me because it has really allowed me to kind of get feedback about myself, watch myself on video, and critique myself, which therapists should really do periodically anyway in order to resharpen and fine-tune skills. So it has helped me see for myself, but also with your feedback, some different things. For sure, I picking up on some phrases that I kind of repeatedly use, and phrases for me in therapy change from time to time. They change periodically, but it's good just to kind of be aware of what those are so you're not using them too often or too casually. Many of you commented on body language things. A few of you commented on kind of the body language plus the setup of the room plus the chairs. So part of it truly was those chairs were terrible. They were really uncomfortable. They were not used in the last 3 videos, in the next 3 that you are going to see. Now, in the next 3 videos, you're going to see the client and I, and I'm actually the client in the next one, are still sitting very close, and that's because of the camera setup in the room. Some of you commented on that too. So normally we'd be sitting further apart in kind of comfortable chairs where you could have good posture or be more comfortable, but that is not the case for that room, unfortunately. So a lot of you had a lot of other really good comments on, maybe me not exploring the topic with the math teacher. A lot of you commented on me bringing up confidentiality and things like that near the end of the session instead of at the beginning. That was great. I responded to you in my comments about that, so I won't go over that here. So it was great. I mean, it really it was really interesting to read all those. I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed reading all of them, actually. So I wanted to post this because we have another one due this Friday. So yes, we have another one due on 09/27. If you remember, this is because I pushed back the due date of the first one to align with the reading material, but the trade-off for that was now we have another one due this Friday. I would move that one back too. However, I really can't because then we're in the midterm module where you guys are having to make your own first videos. And I don't think that you want that module shortened. I'm going to guess that you are going to want that full amount of time to find someone to have a session with and kind of go about doing that. So again, the purpose of the first video is you'll be interviewing or talking with someone and recording it, and it will be someone who you are maybe more familiar with. So the second video at the end of the semester is going to be hopefully someone you're less familiar with. This one is someone you're more familiar with. So it could be a friend or a work friend, maybe someone in your family, but you don't want it to be someone who's going to be silly on the video. The purpose is not to be silly. You do want it to be taken seriously. But someone you're familiar with that's kind of easy to talk to. Even if it's awkward in the session, it wouldn't be that awkward because you're pretty close to this person. Please go to the midterm module and you can look ahead. There's a document in there that describes everything about your video in terms of how we're going to be submitting them. You're going to be doing a partner critique with them. You're going to be doing lots of different stuff, okay? But please make sure you maybe start looking ahead at that and be thinking about who you're going to meet with, okay? And then otherwise, this video critique is due on 09/27, and we will go from there, everyone. So email me with any questions. I feel like we're off to a great start. The next few weeks here are pretty important, where please be thinking ahead Look ahead to the midterm module, start getting your mind organized for that, because we're going to have to do some things pretty efficiently to pull it off. So please be looking ahead. Email me with any thoughts or questions. Thanks.